Hey folks, Ash here from Weber Training. Hope you are well. We're back in 2023 with a brand new name, brand new look, brand new content, but we're offering the same quality first aid training. If you require accredited qualifications, so basic life support, emergency first aid, requalification, first aid at work, Ofsted approved paediatric first aid, we've got you covered. Or we can build you a non-accredited, tailor-made course we can deliver at your place of work or even in your own home. What separates us from other training providers is that all of our trainers have an extensive first on-scene response emergency services background. We've been there, we've done it. Folks, what I'd like to do in this video in a mere 60 seconds is walk you through the very basic steps of how to save a life. Hope you enjoy. So make sure the scene is safe, folks. If it isn't, withdraw, wait for help. Then see if your casualty is responsive. Are they alert? Are they responding to your voice? Talk in both ears. Gently shake them, pat them on the shoulders. Any response to pain? If they are responsive, look for signs, talk about symptoms, phone 999, 112 or 111 and take advice. If they are unresponsive, then open the airway via the head tilt, chin lift or the jaw thrust technique. Look, listen and feel for breathing for 10 seconds. If that breathing is normal, roll them on the side, ask for a defibrillator or an AED, phone 999 and monitor them. If that breathing is not normal, we are going to begin CPR, 30 chest compressions to 2 rescue breaths, or if it's a child/baby, 5 rescue breaths. First, for an adult, we can use 2 hands for the compressions, 1 hand for a child, 2 fingers for a baby. We call 999. We ask again for a defibrillator or an AED. When it arrives, switch it on, follow the voice prompts. Folks, hope you found that useful. Please remember, as a first aider, you don't need to know everything. Don't strive for the perfect chest compression. Don't worry about tying the perfect bandage. Have a go, do something. Folks, please subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be uploading frequent life-saving videos and hints and tips. If you like what you saw, please let us know in the comments. Smash that like button and I'll see you very, very soon. Stay safe.